In this video, I will take you through the features added and enhancement which has come up in the latest release of BDB Platform 7.6 version. Let's start with the features overview. First is the Arango Connector. This is a new data connector. We can create dataset on this, and that dataset can be used in the dashboard designer for visualization and dashboards. The next is the Elastic Connector. This is also a new data connector. We can create dataset on this. That dataset can be used in dashboard designer for visualization. The next is a data preparation. Now, data preparation option has been added for the datasets and data sandbox as well. Fourth feature is the high availability server for Postgre SQL and MongoDB connector. Here, high availability server related changes has been done for Postgre SQL and MongoDB connectors. The last feature is the core ownership transfer. Now, we have option to transfer ownership for different module like data center, dashboard designer, user management, home module, and data science lab modules using this option. So let's start with the first feature, that is Arango Connector. So let's show in the platform. We click on the data connector and click on ArangoDB. So here we have to pull out all the details, data connector name, description, user ID, password, IP port, and database name, and then just save it. Now we have second feature, Elastic Connector. This is also a new data connector added in the data connectors. Let me take you through this connector. This is the new data connector. Then we click on and we will search the Elastic Connector. In this connector, we have added two authentication. One is the authentication is required and another one is the authentication is not required. In iElastic, which we are using, authentication is not required. So we are taking that one. We have to put the details. Now we just click on save button. The data connector has been created successfully. Now we can see here, this is the ES connector in Elastic. It is created by me. And now we can create a data sets on it. So I have already created a data sets which I'm showing here. So this is the Elastic data sets. And once we validate this, it will show in the table. You can look out, and once it's done, you can click on the save button and dataset will be available for the dashboard designer. Third feature is data preparation option is provided for dataset and data sandbox. So let's go to the data center module. Here, you will find the data sets. Now, at the right side corner, you will find the data preparations options available here. At present, we are supporting MySQL, MS SQL, Oracle, Snowflake, MongoDB, Postgre data connectors. So you can see for the Elastic connector, the data preparation option is disabled. And for the Sandbox, the data preparation option is enabled for CSV and XLS file. So you can see here, I will show you. So this is the CSV file. So you can able to see this is data preparation option is enabled for it. and for the rest, JPEG, PNG, and other files, this data preparation options are not available. That's all about the data preparation feature. Last feature is core ownership transfer. In this feature, if the user will leave the organization or may the user will shift to another project and we want to transfer his and her all account to user B. So in this case, we can use this feature. So let's go to the admin module. So here we have an option, so core ownership. This is the core ownership transfer. Here, this is the user one. We can select the user one and user two. And earlier we were supported only data center and dashboard designer. Here we are supporting security, home, and DS lab. So we can transfer all the accounts to the user B and just click on the transfer. This is the fifth feature and the last feature of the 7.6 release. So now we will talk about some enhancements. So let's start with first enhancement, that is Snowflake connector. In this connector, we have added new optional field that's name is warehouse and the second enhancement for Hive connector. In this, we have added optional field database name. Third enhancement is data store validation. In this enhancement, we have updated with a validate button to check whether field details are correct or not. Fourth enhancement is auth source for MongoDB. In this enhancement, auth source configuration is now enabled for mentioning a different authentication database. Fifth enhancement is deleted option in Data's API. In this enhancement, now we have added deleted option for data as API list. And the sixth enhancement is document management. In the document management, it shows the list of documents by user and the user group. Also, there is option to unpublish the dashboard from the user group itself. So now we covered all the new features and the enhancement in this video. For more details, please reach out to us on the email address mentioned in the description. Thank you.